Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Adiatu here, Naturallyads on YouTube. So in today's video, I'm bringing you a plan with me for the week beginning January the 10th to the 16th in my memory planner using this SBC October 2021 mystery kit, and I paired it with some silver snow foil. I don't think this is what it came with. It might have been, I don't remember, but this is what I'm pairing it with. So this week I was 33 weeks pregnant, so my baby was the size of a pineapple. And as you can see, I kind of messed up the bottom washi on the right hand side, but it went well. I did have to put in some extra overlays for some of the sidebar stuff, and I used some quote boxes from PlanWithAds, but I don't remember if I put it on camera or off camera. I did pull in some foil boxes from SBC also, and a January script from PlanWithAds. So if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to my channel before you leave and turn on the bell to be notified every single time I upload. So anything else I added in the extenders, I pulled in some Tilly Journals underlay boxes. I think that's about it, but anyways, let's continue. So from the last video, I started doing some questions at the beginning, some random questions. So I'm going to continue that and just continue from where I left off. So the next question was, do you use sarcasm a lot? And if you ask anyone that knows me, they'll probably say yes, I am quite sarcastic. Sometimes it just happens unintentional, but yes, I am quite a bit sarcastic. So I would say definitely yes. The next question says, what's the first thing you notice about people? Me being me, I always notice their hair, because I'm just a hair lover and I like to do hair, and I like see random people in the street and like, I wish I would love to do their hair. So hair is kind of the first thing that catches my eye when I see someone, I think, definitely. Next thing, what is your eye color? My eye color is a brown, a dark black brown color. Okay, next question, scary movies or happy endings? Definitely not scary movies. I am such a scaredy cat. My husband will testify. I do not like scary movies. I'm a big scaredy cat and I'm okay with that. I cannot do them. So definitely happy endings, because I'm a sucker for like a happy ending and a good love story, and I'm the one that will be crying her eyes out watching a film, even though I know it's not real. Even if I've watched the film before, I will still be crying my eyes out. So definitely yes, happy endings. What is my favorite smells? My favorite smells are like fruity smells, and I love the smell of cherry, but like fruity smells are mostly my favorite smells, like in perfumes, in candles, in sprays, everything. If it's a fruity smell, I'm there for it. And I like the smell of like fresh laundry, like the fresh cotton laundry smell. I love that smell too. I remember when I was in uni, I used to love walking past the laundromat because it just had a nice fresh laundry smell, especially after like laundry comes out of the dryer. Oh, I love, like, I used to like wrap myself in my laundry that was just warm out of the dryer with that fresh laundry smell. So those are my two top smells. What is the furthest you've ever been from home? I have been blessed enough to travel a lot, especially as a child. My mum would always take me, but I don't know which country is the furthest. I've been to America, I've been to Africa, I've been to the Middle East. I don't know if the Middle East is further than Africa. I'm not very good at geography. So I'm gonna say going to the Middle East or Africa. I went to Sierra Leone specifically in Africa, and in the Middle East I've been to Saudi Arabia, Dubai and Abu Dhabi. So those are the furthest I've been from home, which is the UK. Hopefully I go further. The next question, do you have any special talent? I would like to say, I don't even have time for this question. I didn't even realise I am into the day by day. So I didn't say this already. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to my channel before you leave and turn on the bell to be notified. I was getting carried away with those questions. Goodness. Okay, so starting with Monday. At the top of Monday, I use an alarm clock sticker and an up early script from Plan Hannah to note waking up early. I then use a takeaway cup sticker from the kit and a day off script from Randy.plans to note a day off. I use a laptop sticker from Olive Studio to note that my husband was working. I then use this balloon icon from the kit to note that I got my second negative COVID test this day. Then use this happy girl sticker from the honeybee shop to note that I was feeling much better. I use a planner icon from the kit to note to plan with me binge. I then use this sticker of the PlanWithAds girl to note being up late and having no sleep. That no sleep script is from the PlanWithPixieCo. On to Tuesday, I use a bed icon from the kit and a tired AF script from SBC to note being super duper tired. If I don't put the script on camera, I did it afterwards, so I don't remember what I did on camera and what I didn't. So there might be some scripts that I mentioned that you can't see, but they're there now. I then used a backpack sticker from What's Wrong With Love to note going back to work. The work script is from the foil bundle. I used a sneezing squidge from Stick With a Planko to note still having a runny nose and like the residues of a cold, but I had been tested negative twice, so I was instructed to return back to work. I then used this tired girl from Joy of Planning to note having a really long day back at work. The long day script is from Tilly Journals. Then used this vanilla character and a mortgage script from Adorably Amy Design to note that my mortgage stuff was really stressing me out and I just wanted to move at this point. I wanted to move before I had my baby. That was not the case, but I was very frustrated this day. I then use a foiled planner from the foil bundle to note another Plan With Me binge. I used this pregnant vanilla with the Malik script from Randy.plans to note that my baby was very, very active. I then used this munchkin sticker to note that I was missing my husband because I had been with him for a whole week and I was just missing him. The hub script is a custom with hub script from Bella Pentella. I just cut off the width. I then noted my first antenatal class with a pink Diamond PlanWithAds girl. I then used a pillow icon from the foil bundle and kit and a bed early script from Carly Plans. Going to bed early that day because I was absolutely exhausted, and if I didn't have that prenatal class I would have went to bed even earlier. But it was okay class. I learned some things, but I kind of knew a lot beforehand, but it was fine. Moving on to, and I felt like a teacher's pet because I knew all the answers to questions because I'm someone that likes to prep a lot. So for this pregnancy I did lots of research, but yeah. Anyways, on to Wednesday the 12th, I used a balloon sticker from PMD Stickers and a happy birthday script from SBC to note that it was my brother's birthday. And then used this school bag sticker from Papershire, like school samplers sheet, and a work script from the kit to note going to work again. And then use another pregnant vanilla character from Papershire to note that this day I felt well rested and I was in a much better mood. I then used a bear sticker from the Coffee Monsters Co. from like the unbearable sheet to note that I was just overworked. Even though I was in a good mood, I was just overworked and I just wanted to be on maternity leave. Basically, I think the COVID had just taken everything out of me and I just was over it. I then used this tissue box sticker from Carly Plans to note that I still had a blocked nose, even though I was still testing negative. I then used this backache sticker from Joy of Planning to note that it started to hurt when I walked. So like my groin area, my hips were starting to really feel the weight of the baby. I then used this planner sticker from Olive Studio to note Plan With Me binge, and then the sleep mask sticker from the foil bundle to note going to bed early with another bed early script from Carly Plans. On to Thursday, I marked I'm going to work with a Stick With a PlanWithAds character and a work script from the foil bundle. I then marked that it was a better day that day with a smiley face from the honeybee shop. I used an alarm clock sticker to note it was a half day. The half day script is from Naturallyads. I think something happened which meant that the school had to be closed. So it wasn't really a half day. I just went home earlier than 5. But I had a script that said half day, so I thought I might as well use it. And then use this Planner Hannah pregnancy icon and a Malik script from Ready to Plan to know my baby was super active again. I then used another one of those Pink Diamond PlanWithAds pregnancy gals to note that I bought a belly band because the weight of the bump was weighing me down, so I was kind of in need of one. Then use a house sticker from the kids to note going to my mum's house, and then a Happy Meal sticker from What's My Love to note that I had a box of Happy Meal. Well, technically the baby had a box of Happy Meal from my dad, which was filled with loads of clothes, so that's why I went to my mum's house to go and look at that and organise it. Then use a phone icon from Carly Plans to note that me and my husband spoke to my dad. So I used the hub script from Bella Ella and with Dad script from Woodrow B. Amy Designs to say that we spoke and they spoke to like say thank you. I then use a baby girl sticker from the Crafty Planner and a put clothes away script from Randy Plans to note putting away the clothes that my dad got. Then use a crying sticker from what's it called? Olive Studio and a child sticker from Goldman and Coco to note that I was upset about some drama that happened later that night, which was annoying because I was in such a good mood earlier, but it's okay, we're over it now, sort of. On the 14th, the Friday, I used a money bag icon from God knows where, probably a freebie or leftover, and a payday script from the foil bundle to know it was payday. I then used this like annoyed looking gal from Papershire and a Moody Madam custom script from Carly Plant to know I was really moody that morning because of the events of the previous night. Then used a schoolhouse sticker from What to Move Love and a work script from the foil bundle to note going to work. I then used another Joy of Planning gal to note a long day. The long day script is from Tilly Journals. I used a mail icon from the foil bundle to note that I was going through emails and replying. I then used a planner sticker from Olive Studio to note a Plan With Me binge. I marked my husband gaming with a Mick Plans character and a custom babe gaming script, also from Mick Plans. I marked him gaming that way the rest of the week also. I then used a YouTube play button from the kit and a YouTube binge script from Planner Hannah to note a YouTube binge. I marked cuddling with my husband with this couple sticker from PMD Stickers and a cuddle with my love script from the foil bundle. They're 2 separate scripts, I just put them together. I then used this baby cake sticker from Papershire and a shopping script from the kit to know I was doing some baby shower shopping and getting stuff ready. I then used this late night snacking lazy day sticker from Papershire to note that we had a late night. The late night script is from SBC. I really love the new SBC scripts. They are perfect sized. I love the duo font. It's just giving life. Okay, on to Saturday. I use a sleep mask icon from the foil bundle and a sleeping script from Mick Plans to note sleeping in. I use a laptop icon from the foil bundle to note doing research. I don't know what I was researching, to be honest. Let's see. The day is 15th. I was researching my pitch gift that I wanted my husband to get me. I was researching what I wanted and giving him links. I then used a ScribblePrintsCo character and a lazy day script from Plan Hannah to note have it a lazy day. I then used these washi tape stickers from Olive Studio to note a Plan With Me binge. I marked Babe Gaming again with the same Mick Planned duo. I then marked a YouTube binge with a YouTube play button sticker from PMD Stickers and a YouTube binge script from Planner Hannah. I marked having some groin pain with a Kiss My sticker from Glamp Hannah. I marked speaking to my dad on the phone with a phone icon from the foil bundle and a with dad script from Plan Hannah. And I then used a money dollar icon from the foil bundle and kit to note that I paid for the food and the cake for the baby shower. Then used a grocery sticker from PMD Stickers to note we got a grocery delivery. Grocery delivery script is from Carly Plant. It's funny that I use characters of a girl for the grocery deliveries because I'm never the one to bring them in, especially when I was pregnant. And now I'm not pregnant, I'm still not bringing them in. My husband is, but I still mark it with the girl character. Let's see, maybe I'll try and find some boy characters to note that so it's more accurate. On to the 16th, I use a heart icon from the foil bundle to note sleeping in. The sleeping script is from Adorably Amy Designs. I then use another Stick with PlanWithAds girl to note a lazy day with the Plan Hannah script. I marked a Plan With Me binge with another Olive Studio washi sticker. I marked cuddling with the couple sticker from PMD Stickers and a cuddle script. It probably isn't from the foil bundle, it's from like a leftover foil bundle, but it's from SBC. I then marked my husband gaming with the same Make Plans duo. I used a TV icon from the kit and foil bundle, and then I used a TV binge script from Make Plans to note binge watching TV. I used this tea and croissant sticker from Papershire to note drinking some tea. Then I marked memory planning with this Beneath Creation character and a memory plan script from Carly Plant. So that is the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Be sure to leave a comment down below and let me know what you thought of this spread. I am going to show you guys a wiggle and what was left of the kit. So I will see you in the next one. Bye.